Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm going to be showing you the update of my rice water results. So you guys know that I am an aloe vera girl. I use aloe vera to help grow my hair. But a lot of you guys have been asking me if I also use rice water, and the answer to that is yes. But I don't use it as often as I do my aloe vera. But when I do use rice water, I only use it about once a month. But for the aloe vera, you can use it as often as possible. It doesn't hurt your hair. You can use aloe vera to wash your hair, co-wash your hair, detangle your hair, or even use it as a leave-in conditioner. It is safe and gentle enough to use as many times as you want. But rice water, on the other hand, is a different story. So I used the rice water recipe to rinse my hair, and I braided my hair up for 2 weeks. But then right now, I'm going to show you what it looks like 2 weeks later. So this is actually 2 weeks in the future. So I did the rice water rinse 2 weeks ago, but today is the future, and I'm going to show you what my results are. And guys, I'm completely shocked. Like, I am shocked, and you guys are going to see why in a minute. Now, I don't know if I can give all the credit to rice water because I do use my aloe vera, but this time I didn't use the aloe vera just because I wanted to experiment and show you guys what my results are. Are you guys ready? Okay, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, family, before I show you the results, I would like to show you guys exactly how I prepare my rice water. So these are the things you're going to need. So first you're going to need a bowl, and then you're going to need a little bit of rice, and then you're going to need a mason jar, and I'll tell you why in a minute, and then a cup to fill up with water. So I'm going to add my rice to this bowl, and then I'm going to add some water to it just to wash it off. The reason it's important to wash the rice off is because the rice can have a lot of dirt or debris, especially from being processed and all of that. And I know you guys are going to ask this, so let me just go ahead and answer right now. You don't need a specific measurement, and you also don't need any special kind of rice, as long as it is white rice. So don't stress yourself out trying to get the perfect kind of rice. Okay, so once I wash the rice off, I'm going to go ahead and drain the water off, and then I'm going to transfer it to my mason jar. The reason the mason jar is important is because you need something to completely seal off the rice so that the nutrients from the rice can go into the water without any interference from air. So I'm just going to go ahead and add as much water as I can. And again, you don't really need to measure the water or the rice as long as the rice and the water fits in your mason jars. So a lot of people complain that the rice water smells bad after it's fermented, and that is true. So if you're concerned about that, you can use orange. So that's what I'm doing here. So I'm just going to cut the peel of the orange and add it to my rice water and then seal it off. So I have my rice water and my orange here. I'm just going to go ahead and set it here for the next 24 hours. And honestly, you can use the rice water right away. But if you want to get the full effect, then you want to keep it overnight so the nutrients from the rice can get into the water so that it can then transfer to your hair. Okay, so it's about 24 hours later. This is what my rice water is looking like. And as you can see, the rice swelled up a little bit. It's almost up to the top. And also, I'm going to show you guys how soft the rice is, because once it stays overnight, it becomes soft. Normally, you're not able to break rice with your finger like that. But when it stays overnight, it becomes soft, and that is when you know that it has done its job. So then I'm just going to transfer my rice water to this spray bottle. I'm going to use a funnel because it makes it easy for me. Okay, so before I start to wash my hair, I know you guys are going to ask again what products I use for my hair. I use Cream of Nature products. So I have the shampoo here. It says that the shampoo is sulfate free, which is very, very important. It is also moisturizing and it adds shine to your hair. I also use the Intense Conditioner treatment for when I'm doing a full wash day. But today I'm only going to be doing a cold wash, and I'm going to use the Hydrating Cold Washing Conditioner. And that's what this is. So these are the 3 products I use for my hair. Okay, so let's get this hair process started. As you can see, I've taken my braids out. I've detangled my hair. It is very, very important for you to detangle your hair. And because I have a lot of hair and it's very curly, I'm going to section my hair off. So first I started to use a comb, but then I decided to use my finger. So I'm just going to use my finger to section off my hair. Okay, so once I'm done sectioning my hair, I'm going to take my rice water and start to spray it onto my hair. I'm going to make sure to spray my hair until it's completely saturated. And then I'm going to massage it through my hair and on my scalp as well. So that is just what I'm doing here. I'm going to make sure to get every single section and make sure that it's very well saturated. Okay, so once I've gotten all the sections, I'm going to then go ahead and cover it up with a plastic wrap for about 20 minutes. This is just to let the rice water penetrate my hair and do its job. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. I'm going to start the cold washing process. Again, I'm going to leave my hair in all the sections. I'm going to apply the shampoo in sections and make sure I get every single strand of hair. I'm going to comb and detangle, making sure that every single hair gets nice and detangled, and also that the products are doing their jobs. I'm going to do that for every single section as well. Okay, so this is the last section. I'm going to go ahead and take down all my hair, and then I'm going to start the washing process. I started out with my hair in sections, but as you can see here, I'm taking the sections out just so that I can make sure the water gets through my hair to get all the products out of my hair. Again, I'm not going to use any shampoo or any other products. I'm only going to use the conditioner to rinse my hair, but I'm going to make sure that it's rinsed very, very well. And I'm also going to make sure that all the product buildup is completely gone and that my hair feels nice and clean. As you can see here, my hair looks very nice and clean. My curls are super defined. I'm just going to go ahead and continue taking my shower. But once I get out of the shower, I'm going to let my hair air dry, and then I'm going to apply my oil to my scalp. Are you guys ready for this? Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. This is my one braid that was left out, okay? But look at this. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is all new growth, y'all. All new growth. From 2 weeks ago. You guys see that? See? See all that new growth? See that? That is all new growth, y'all. All of that. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I am so happy that you guys have joined in with me on this hair journey. Again, you guys have seen what my hair used to look like. I will try to find a lot more old pictures and videos for you guys so you guys can see the difference between my hair then and now. I'm also going to do a lot more natural hair videos in the next few days, so stick around for that. If you did like the video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you have any requests of a natural hairstyle or certain products you want to see, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to do a video on that. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and also hit the bell notification button so you'll never miss another video again. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!